Hello children, how are you all doing? Today we are going to learn about expanded form part 2. So let us do a quick revision of some important things. What are these? These are 1 rupee coins. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So these are 10 coins. How much is this? This is 10 rupees. But instead of using so many 1 rupee coins, what I will do is I will use a 1 10 rupee note. From this I learned that one note of 10 rupees is the same as 10 coins of rupee 1. एक 10 का नोट 10 एक के सिक्कों के बराबर है. Why? Because this side is also rupees 10 and this side is also rupees 10. Now what we are going to do is we are going to show this 10 rupee note with this 10 block so that it is easy for us to draw. So let us count how many boxes are there in this block. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Because there are 10 boxes, I call this a 10 block or 110. 1/10 is equal to 10 small boxes or just 10. 1 rupee I will show with this one small box. 1 ones is equal to 1. So one small box is equal to 1. Now Shubham has 15 chocolates and we have to draw these 15 chocolates. How will we do that? We will use the place value chart. So in the place value chart, I have tens and ones. What is there at ones position? It is the number 5. So I will write 5 here. What is there at tens place? It is 1. So I will write 1 here. Now, how many 10 blocks will I draw? I will draw 110 blocks because there is only 1 here. So I know 1/10 is equal to 10. Now how many ones will I draw? I will draw 5 ones or 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the number here is 5. So 5 ones is equal to 5. The place value of 1 is 10 and the place value of 5 is 5. Now what I have to do is I have to find what number this is, right? So let us try and find that. The number is 10 plus 5 and I have to find the number. So how much is this? This is 10 or 110, right? 1/10. So how can I show this? I can show it this with 110 block. And how many ones are these? These are 5 ones. How can I show this? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So I will write here that 110 is equal to 10. 1/10 is equal to 10. And I will write here that 5 ones is equal to 5 so that I remember. If I join these two, if I add these two, what will I get? I will get 110 block and 5 ones. Now what is this number? This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So I will write 15 here like this. This way we can learn how many blocks we have and what is the number. Now what will I do? I will write this as 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. This 15 here is known as standard form. Last time we learned that this side is expanded form. This is standard form because we write it in the standard form. छोटे में लिखते हैं हम. Now let us try writing this number in standard form. इस number को standard form में लिखते हैं. How many blocks of 10 do I have? I have 2 10 blocks, right? So I will write this as 2 tens. Now I know 2 tens is equal to 20. And how many blocks of 1 do I have? I have 3 small blocks. These are 3 ones. So 2 tens I know is equal to 20 and 3 ones also I know is equal to 3. So when I join these, this becomes 2 blocks of 10 and 3 blocks of small blocks of 1. So this is 10, 20, 21, 22 and 23. So the number is 23. So I can write this as 20 plus 3 is equal to 23. So this is how I can know the standard form. The standard form is 23. Now let us try and find this number. It is 30 plus 5 and we have to find the standard form here. So what will I do? I will use the place value chart this time. I will draw it tens and ones. Now the number here is 5, right? The number here is 5. So for 5, where will I write it? Will I write it in tens or will I write it in ones? I will write it in ones. So this is how I will write 5. And what is this? This is 30. So I will write this in tens. How many tens is this? This is 3 tens. So I will write 3 under tens. So I have 3 tens and 5 ones. This means that my number is 35. So the number here is 35 or the standard form is 35. Like this, we can find the standard form. Now let us look at worksheet number 1. In worksheet number 1, what we have to do is we have to count the blocks and then we have to write the numbers. So let us count I will do the first question. Let's count the tens blocks. 1, 2, 3. So I will write 3 here. I have 3 tens. Now let's count ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many ones I have? I have 5. So what will be the number? The number will be 3, 5, 35. So like this, you will do the rest of the questions also. In this worksheet, what we have to do is we have to find the number here, the standard form. So let us do it our way. So what is the number here? The number is 10, right? So how many tens is this? Let's first draw the place value chart. This is the place value chart. So how many tens do I have? I have 1 10 because this is just 10. So I will write 1 here. How many ones do I have? I have 2 ones. So I will write 2 here. So what is the number? The number is 12. So I will write 1, 2, 12 here. Like this. And then after doing this, you will erase this. And this is the answer. So like this, you will do all the questions in this worksheet. I hope you are clear with how to find standard form. See you next time. All the best.